Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the downloader app on a Roku TV. Let's get started. Before we begin, there is something very important you need to know. The downloader app cannot be downloaded on Roku TV. Roku uses a closed operating system, which means it does not allow third-party apps like downloader or APK files. So even if you search for a downloader in the Roku channel store, you will not find it. This is normal and nothing is wrong with your Roku. Roku is designed to only allow apps that are officially approved and listed in the channel store. Because of this, apps like downloader, APK installers, or side loading tools are not supported on Roku device. Now, let me tell you what you can do instead. If you want to use the downloader app, you will need a device like Amazon Fire TV Stick, Android TV, Google TV, or Android Box. This device support downloader and allow installing apps from outside the app store. And that's it. Now you know the truth about downloader on Roku TV. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.